Okay, so what I thought I would do for my first proper video is to give some advice on investments. So what I've done is I've put a little video together with Easy Equities. I'm by no means sponsored or affiliated with Easy Equities. I just use it myself. Find it very easy, easy to use. It just makes investing so much easier. It's actually in the name, Easy Equity. So let me run you through some of the investments I've made, some of the investments I'll do with you live. It's after hours, so the markets are closed, so all of my investments will be pending. So also what I thought would be cool is if we spent about 1,300 Rand and then actually follow that up in a couple of months time, maybe a week's time, depending on how well the markets perform, to show you where we are compared to where we bought and if there's any growth. So just for clarity, we are using the JSE. Investment is high risk at the moment. The markets are very volatile, so it's by no means easy to make money at the moment. With volatility comes great swings up and down, but be cautious, go do your research, make sure you understand what you're buying before you buy it. I am a novice in this. I get a lot of information from Easy Equities, Google, Twitter. I might just put some Twitter accounts that you need to follow just to get some more information in the section below.
Okay guys, just to start out, you pop in Easy Equities in your search bar, wait for it to load, then you will see a lot of information here. So we've got the login, we've got the register, home, invest, learn. I suggest you use learn quite a bit. There's a lot of information there. The website is information rich. It will teach you a lot before you actually do your first trade. So I've already registered, but for first time users, please go and register. There's a demo account as well, where you can actually play with demo money, and you don't have to run the risk of losing or making your own money just yet. So at the top you'll see the home screen, invest, learn, vouchers, loyalty, about, and contacts. Just going down, just going down. Let's go down at last. So you'll see a lot of information, what trades you can do, how do you open a tax-free savings, some people just giving feedback, some awards Easy Equities has won over the years. I must say it's a very easy way to buy and sell shares on the JSE. Again, as mentioned, there's a demo account you can register, and also seems like you can buy vouchers. I've never tried that. So we just log in. I've already registered, so there's my login screen. We log in. So when you log in, you land basically on the invest tab. So you'll see there at the top where I'm hovering now is basically the amount available to invest. So just going down, you'll see the different type of equities you can invest in, and it's broken up into industries as well. So for now, let's search for a known company. So Telkom is the one I search for now. So going into Telkom, you can actually go to that page. You can see what it's done over the last month, the buying price, the selling price, and the last price on the JSE. They've also now gone and added a couple of tabs at the bottom, so you can press on MoneyWeb and it gives you a bit more information on the specific stock code, opening price, closing price, and I like to look at a 6-month view. It gives me a good idea of where the stock was, where it's going, and where it is now. So a lot of this is just on feeling at the moment for me, but there's a lot of information you can actually go and research. Is the stock correct for you? So let's try and go into Sussel, rather not Sussel. Let's look at MTN. Okay, so MTN is a cell phone network in South Africa. Again, we've got the 1-month chart. We can move that to 6 months to see where we are. And again, the price is there at the top. They've added a live market price. So just for noting, Easy Equities normal prices are delayed by 15 minutes from the live market. So you can now pay a little bit more and then you can see the live market. But we're going to invest 100 Rand in MTN. So then there's the cost of investment as well. It's broken up. It gives you a good idea of where you're spending money and for what reason. There's some money we can donate. You can add insurance. So basically for 100 Rands worth of stocks, there's 64 cents worth of cost to actually invest. So because I'm not live on the stock market, we after hours, it's a pending instruction that'll go through tomorrow. So let's go invest some more. We're looking to invest at 1,200. Let's look at Sussel. Sussel is a petrochemical company in South Africa. Again, we're looking at a 6-month view. There's a sharp decline, and we're going to put some money into Sussel. Let's do 200. And also, when you do 200, it tells you how many shares you're going to get, investment cost again. And again, because we are after hours, it is a pending instruction that will go through as soon as the market's open tomorrow morning. That should be about 9:15 South African time. So just going in, we're going to look at another couple of stocks. So we're looking at Anheuser-Busch. That is the old SAB. It's a beverage company, alcohol, beer, castle. Again, prices, we're going to put in 600 Rand on that. Again, it gives you the cost of that investment, and it's broken up into that. Again, we get the certificate, but it is pending instruction tomorrow morning. We've still got about 329 Rand left to invest on. So let's just close that little bubble there. So PPC is a share. They make cement. You can see this share is quite down. There's a sharp downturn. The company has run into a couple of problems in the past, but I'm pretty confident that they'll pull through and make gains. So on 329, I'm over my limit. So if I want to continue on this, I need to actually deposit more money. We don't want to deposit more money because we just want to run that last 329. So what we'll do is we'll make a 320. Gives us the amount of shares. It gives us the amount of cost we're going to incur. We buy again. There is our certificate. That'll be in tomorrow morning. We've got a little bit of money left. So this is just my portfolio. As you can see, I've lost some money over the last couple of days. I'm still of the opinion that I'll make that back. There's my total loss. There's my total brokerage fee, total bundle costs. so it gives you a nice idea. There's R7.17 that's still available to us to invest. So let's look at the pending instructions. Those are the instructions that will go through tomorrow morning, and you can see all of them are here: Sasol, PPC, Anheuser-Busch, MTN Group. Okay, so the big idea is that we invest this money and then we follow it for a couple of weeks. So you can see the investments I've made that I have lost money on. So Braid is one I bought today, so hopefully that one will turn around in the next couple of weeks. I do have a bit of a problem being patient with these type of things, but yeah. So there you can see my average purchase price, the delayed price, and the previous closing price. Also gives you the amount of shares you bought for that amount of money, and there's just a six months view. So there's a lot of room to actually get back to pre-lockdown numbers. So again, you can go in, look at the stock in more detail, just what it's about, what the company does, and so on. So again, guys, I would suggest do your research, go in, make sure you understand what you're buying, and it's not zero risk. I actually also have a couple of Comair shares that are worth zero at the moment. Luckily not too much, but it's still a risk. So we'll follow these shares for the next couple of weeks. Hopefully we can come back to them in a week or two's time and we would have made money on that, or lost money. So we can follow the 1,200 Rand and see where it takes us. I'm a bit OCD, so I don't like leaving like that R7.17 in my account, so I like to actually make sure I get to almost to the cent investment. I don't want to leave anything in there. So let's just see if we can get, R7.10 gets us to R7.17, and that leaves us with zero funds to invest. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's how it works. You can see it was a couple of clicks, and we've spent 1,300 Rand on South African shares. So this is the demo account. I also bought MTN on this demo account, but basically if you are a bit weary, start out with the demo account and play a bit there. Make sure you understand what the market does. I don't think anyone is ever 100% sure what the market will do, but the biggest part of it is do your research. It's not without risk, but do your research and then invest a little bit of money. I think the rule of thumb is, if you want to invest, make sure that that's money you can live without. If you lose it, you don't lose your car, your house, or anything like that. So start small, start learning investing, and let me know maybe in the comments below what have you invested in, and what is your returns. Looking forward to share some more information with you. So hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.